If you've been seeing that little hover menu pop up every time you move your mouse over an image in Microsoft Edge and you want to turn it off, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to disable the hover menu on Image Hover in Edge in just a few simple steps. This is a great setting to change if you want a cleaner browsing experience and don't want extra options appearing while you're just trying to view an image. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick browser tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu where you can access all of Edge's settings. From the menu, click Settings. Now you'll be taken to the Edge settings page. On the left-hand side, click Appearance. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps many of the display and behavior options that affect how the browser looks and responds while you use it. Once you're in Appearance, scroll through the available options until you find Browser Behavior and Features. Click that section to expand it if needed. Inside this area, you should see a setting called Show Hover Menu on Image Hover. This is the feature that causes the small menu to appear whenever you hover over an image. To disable it, simply toggle that option off. As soon as you turn it off, Edge will stop showing the hover menu when your mouse moves over images. There's no need to restart the browser in most cases, and the change should take effect right away. Now you can browse images without those extra pop-ups getting in the way. This is especially useful if you find the menu distracting, unnecessary, or just a little annoying during normal browsing. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the hover menu on Image Hover in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.